man. Here we go, man.
Oh, mate, the suit is uncomfortable.
Yeah. That's why I've just left my topper down like this, mate.
Do I? Oh, he's about to go, isn't he?
No, not yet. You got time. Go for it, mate.
He's about to sleep.
It's just more comfortable. I've just tied it around my waist, mate. I'm still in fancy dress, like,
Yeah.
it's
Just so I
comfortable.
can wheel, because it feels like my shoulder would be fine.
Yeah. Right?
Right.
Guess I can. So which way is it first? So
Straight
right,
up,
left,
man.
right, left. So you've got
Yeah,
to
so
tell
you've
me
gotta
like
go
the
right.
entrance, so right entrance.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So right.
Where's the way in? Left.
Yes, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We good?
We good? Should we wait for them or are we good?
No. Are we good?